Yo family, it's your boy XAUKING, and today let's try and sell gold using the Fibonacci strategy that I normally use. Let's see what happens, how much we can make, and how big we can go on this. Remember, it's $100, so we're only gonna use 0.01s for entry. Nothing bigger than that. Let's go. Let's try and do this again, man. Let's do it. So once you have added gold, just make sure that you do an analysis. Let me remove the Fibonacci here. It's already here, so let me just remove it. So let's analyze. Our trading zones are basically this area here, okay, resistance, and then this area here, support. If we quickly go on the daily time frame, we can also just mark our latest daily high and daily low. That's what it's gonna look to go and get. Okay, so daily high is here, and then daily low is here, but then let me just put it here for now because this is where the body is. So we'll be looking to trade within this area, okay, this area. And then on the daily time frame, the sell area was here, okay. Now if we go to the 4 hour, we need to find the most recent trading zone for now. So the most recent trading zone for now, we can go on the 1 hour and then most likely 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, the most recent trading zone lies in this area here. Now because price is already moving from there, we can already enter a few positions, but let me drag my Fibonacci, okay, from the top to the bottom, so top to bottom here, until this low. So it basically came off the zone which we were supposed to enter already, which is here. This was our valid entry point. All right, that was our very valid entry point. Sorry. Okay, let me just delete the Fibo. So that's our valid entry point. Anything below this we can sell, okay, all the way. Sorry for that. So yes, anything from there we can sell all the way here. Now let's do it and then we see what happens. So it's a $100 account. Let's put 15 positions of 0.01. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or maybe 20. 15 there, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there we go. We have a few positions added. What we would want to see for the continuation of this move is that price actually comes here and then breaks this level. All right, this level here. All right, now most of you will ask me, how can I configure the Fibonacci to make it look like yours? Now since our positions are already open, let me get into details on how you can configure your Fibonacci tool to look like mine. And if you're interested in doing my mentorship, where I have a 6-month mentorship where you trade with me on a daily basis for my students. So if you're interested in learning and applying this strategy, you can actually follow, like, and subscribe for more. I'll leave the link in the description of my Telegram channel, my Instagram, and if you're interested in getting any of my services, you should just DM me or get in the Telegram and comment on one of my posts. All right, positions. All right. Here are our positions. They are all set because the momentum is currently bearish, so it's good for us to keep holding. Okay, it's good for us to keep holding. Of a very important area. This is like on the 1 hour. Let's just check it out. So as you can see, price came off this area here, and if you check where we just entered, there was a test of the zone. So price came back to test it, and now it's just gonna fly down. Okay, it's just gonna drop. So I can maybe add a few more positions, 0.01 positions, just maybe 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, that's fine. At this area, because this is an area of interest. This is an area where many people would want to buy price, but if it does go up, it will just simply go and test this region here, right? Test this region and then drop once again. Remember that we are eyeing, this was our big POI, right? This was our big POI, but we are eyeing a break of this structure until price reaches either one of these two levels. Okay, so let's see what happens. We will step away from the markets, okay, and come back in a few moments. So if you might notice, I'm paying commissions. That's why the balance keeps dropping. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, now I'm in a bit of drawdown. I'll add a few more positions if it keeps going up. Like around this area here, you can actually put a lot of sell limits just in case price decides to go back there. Okay, so you can put sell limit here. Remember, the lot size is 0.01. This is one secret that many people will not understand, but it has to do with the margin requirements for each lot. Okay, it's not as it is actually specified. So the margin requirement for each lot size can determine how long your account will survive. Okay, so basically I've opened a very big lot. In general, I did open a big lot, but because I opened a big lot divided into smaller lots, the margin requirement is not as opening one single standard lot, something like that. I believe you understand. So those people that will be doing my mentorship will actually get to see this happen a lot. All right, if you're interested, I have a community group for those people who are really interested in making money. We actually will be doing a challenge where you can grow your capital from $200, $500, $100, all the way to $20,000 for the entire month of June. And I will be calling the shots. We will be studying together. Every day there's a lesson. So if you're interested in joining and participating in this, this is your big chance of making it happen. Okay, so there we go. It's actually doing what I just said. Let's just wait and see what happens. Let me get away from the 1 minute. Remember that the 1 minute time frame is where you can make the best entries based on the price movements. Now I'll just leave these illustrations here, these drawings here, so that we can keep in mind where we are looking to buy. Remember that there's also one zone here which most traders will be looking to buy at. It's at around this order block here. Let me just put it here. So this level here is a level of interest for buyers, and somewhere around here we can look to protect our sell positions or close a few of them. Okay, let's wait and see what happens, guys. This strategy, you know, when I release strategies, I don't really hide anything, right? When I release the strategy, I don't really hide anything. So I'm going to put the settings of the strategy right before the video, basically the settings of the strategy right before the video starts. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to leave the instructions, like the video instruction on how to actually set it up. So if you pay close attention to the video and watch it all the way to the end, you're going to make more money than that guy who's simply just going to watch the first part of the video, copy and paste the settings and try to apply it himself. Watch the video until the end, share, like and subscribe, and invite other people who are interested in learning. Okay, so this is the IPD Fibonacci ATM strategy. Guys, it eats the broker. And hey guys, the mentorship is free for everyone who wants to join. All right, you don't have to pay me anything. You are not gonna pay me anything. There's one recommendation though that I'll give in the enrollment group, but it will not involve you having to pay anybody. All right, you're going to learn the skill set and the strategies and everything else that I'm going to teach each and every one of the students who is going to participate in my mentorship program. It is free of charge. All right, it's first come, first serve. All right, I have 500 spots available for free of charge. So the first 500 people to watch this video and click on the link that I'm going to leave, those are the first people that are actually going to be part of this mentorship. So enjoy, guys. This is going to be a one of a kind. Okay. Forgive me for the background noise, but here we are. I didn't change anything, as you can see. Everything is where it's supposed to be. We are on the 1 minute. 1 minute is where we are focused on entries, but we don't need to enter anymore. All we have to do now is wait patiently for price to reach our zone. All right, patience pays off. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting and see how price melts. Enjoy. Ignore the background noise. I'll try to remove it as I edit the video, but if it doesn't go off completely, just ignore it.